Nothing makes your car feel old and worn more than squeaks and rattles. My Carrera 997 has a rattle in the front passenger seat. Going over bumps with no passenger, it was subtle, but annoying. So I decided to remove the upper seat pad and see what I could find. There is an airline for the lumbar support which runs along both sides of the seat back. The noise was coming from the line on the driver's side of the passenger seat back. I placed the line in the position that eliminated the noise using felt tape, and the noise was gone.